How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can fix up the Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 10. So if you're also wondering on how we can fix that issue if your Wi-Fi is not showing up on your Windows 10, these are the steps you may follow up and you should be able to fix that issue on your Windows. So first of all, head over to your search bar in your desktop and type in services there and open up the services of your computer. Just go ahead and open it up. And once you've opened up the services, you will be finding this on your screen. And under this section, scroll to the section and look up for WLAN and update. Look up for this WLAN auto configure. Just go ahead and right click on it and open up the properties of it. And once the properties is opened up, you can go ahead and look out for this. This will appear on your screen. So under here, go to this startup type and make sure this is automatic, nothing else other than that. Select automatic and apply it. After that is done, you can start this one right here and then click on OK, and that is it. After that is done, once restart the device and you should be able to fix up the Wi-Fi not being shown up in your computer. So that is it for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.